Yes, Patrick.
Thank you, SpongeBob. You are grounded forever.
No. Both of you are grounded for life. And SpongeBob, go to your room right now. And Patrick, you are grounded for copy playing video games on my phones. Go to your stupid room now.
Yes, Silly Levy. Thank you, Nightmare. You are grounded forever.
No, both of you are grounded for life. And Nightmare, go to your room right now. And Lobby, go to your room right now because you are the female Helium character with Nightmare. Go to your stupid room now.